What's up everyone? Welcome back. My name is Justin and we are working on the Volkswagen again today. And the car may look like it's done, but we're not quite there yet. Still got a lot to do. We're gonna jump to the footage from this week and we will be right back. All right, guys, so you saw what we've been working on. The car looks like it's done. It's put back together, which is a big surprise. It's only been a week since we took the whole side off, so it is cool that it's back on. But it is not fit. Like, it's just a temporary fit. It's clamped and it's sheet metal screwed. This whole side of the car is just screwed on. Doors don't open, they're clamped shut. The whole car is kind of held together with screws right now. But it does look like a car. It looked like a weirdly painted car, but we are back together, test fitting stuff for the first time. Fits very well. We're very happy with the door gaps. A couple of the door gaps need a little bit of work right down there where the pillar meets. And then where the rear frame kind of comes in right there, they need a little bit of work. But overall, the doors fit really good. Front fender fits really good. Everything's lining up really nice. Overall, we're really happy with it. The inside's all in there. We still got to take that piece out and fix. I'll show you up underneath. We still have to fix all of that up under there where the rust was. But this is big progress. It looks like a car again, so can't complain. But that's where we're at. We've been working on another little project. I already put it in my truck, so if you want to see what that project was for, it wasn't for the Volkswagen. That will be on the next video. The next video is not going to be about the Volkswagen. We're going to stay on the same schedule as Volkswagen, but I got something else coming for you. But this is where we're at. And yeah, car looks really good. We're really happy with the fitment. You can see how all these gaps fit in here, how well the door fits all the way down. This pillar, really nice clean gaps on both sides. And then same back here, really nice fit. This is kind of where we got to open it up. You can see how it really gets tight down there. So that's what still needs work. But other than that, I mean, the whole car is back in there. We've been slowly working this a little bit more. We got to finish that when we do the bottom piece. The front here doesn't fit the best. I think this fender was damaged a lot. The gap, it's got a big gap there, so we're gonna have to work this. And then it looks like it was dropped. It's got a really sharp point right here. So we're gonna slice that, kind of fold this in and get that looking the way it should. So we got to rework that front nose. But this looks really good. We still got to rebuild the inner support that goes between the two rocker panels. It was all rusted out. But that's where we're at. Really happy with the progress. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But yeah, this is where we're at for now. We're going to end this video here. And then I'll hopefully have another video this Saturday or Sunday of the other project we got going on. We'll see. That kind of depends how long it's going to take to actually finish and get that thing back up and running. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for more Volkswagen stuff. Huge progress. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one.